म तपाईंको सेवामा हाजिर छु। I am at your service. I am at your service. भाग्यको अगाडि केही टिक्न सक्दैन। Nobody can stand against fate. Nobody can stand against fate. आकाश बादलले ढाकेको छ। The sky is overcast. अथवा यसलाई यसरी पनि भन्न सकिन्छ The sky is full of clouds. The sky is full of clouds. आकाश बादलले ढाकेको छ। The sky is overcast or the sky is full of clouds. तिमीले यस्तो भन्न सुहाउँदैन थियो। You shouldn't have said so. अथवा यसलाई You shouldn't have said so. तिमीले यस्तो भन्न सुहाउँदैन थियो। You shouldn't have said so. मेरो घरकाले मेरो बिहे गर्दिदैछन्। My family is marrying me. My family is marrying me. यो सित्तैमा हो। It's free of charge. It's free of charge. तिमी कहिले आउँछौ? When will you come? When will you come? यस भिडियोमा हामीले दैनिक बोलिने अंग्रेजीका 40 वाक्यहरू पढ्नेछौँ। कृपया भिडियो अन्तसम्म हेर्नुहोला। In this video, we gonna learn about 40 daily English sentences. Please watch the full video. यदि तपाईं यस च्यानलमा नयाँ हुनुहुन्छ भने कृपया हाम्रो च्यानललाई सब्स्क्राइब गर्नुहोस् र सँगै रहेको बेल आइकनमा क्लिक गर्नुहोस्। हाम्रो फेसबुक पेज बिआर इंग्लिश हब लाइक गर्नुहोस्। साथै तपाईंको साथीहरूलाई पनि पेजमा इन्भाइट गर्नुहोस्। के उसले तिमीलाई आउन दियो? Did he let you come? Did he let you come? बच्चा पढ्न दिदैनन्। Children don't let you study. Children don't let you study. ऊ मलाई पढ्न दिन्छ। He lets me study. He lets me study. मम्मी मलाई पढ्न अवश्य दिनुहुन्छ। Mom must lets me study. अथवा यसलाई यसरी पनि भन्न सकिन्छ Mom will let me study for sure. अवश्य भन्दा for sure. म गइन। I didn't go. I didn't go. तिमी कता जान्छौ? Where do you go? Where do you go? हामी कसरी आउने? How will we come? How will we come? उसले पनि चाहेन। Even he didn't want. Even he didn't want. यद्यपि मलाई खेल्न दिइरहेको छैन, अझै म शान्त छु। Though I am not being let play, still I am quiet. यद्यपि, though, अझै, still, अथवा यसलाई यसरी पनि भन्न सकिन्छ Although I am not being let play, yet I am quiet. यदि सेन्टेन्समा although अगाडि आएको छ भने त्यसको कमा पछि yet आउनु पर्दछ। यो बारे थप जानकारीको लागि मोडल्स भन्ने लेसनमा गएर हेर्नुहोला। मलाई देख्नु छ। I have to see. I have to see. उसले भन्नु पर्यो। He had to tell. He had to tell. राम तिमीमा निर्भर छ। Ram depends on you. Ram depends on you. कसैमा निर्भर रहनुलाई डिपेन्ड्स भनिन्छ। मैले कहिलेसम्म तिमीलाई साथ दिने? Until when will I support you? अथवा यसलाई यसरी पनि भन्न सकिन्छ, Until when will I stand by you? Until when will I support you? Or Until when will I stand by you? रमेशको बहिनी कहाँ गइरहेकी छिन्? Where is Ramesh's sister going? Where is Ramesh's sister going? ऊ कुन सहरबाट आएको थियो? From which city had he come? From which city had he come? म उसलाई पठाउन सक्छु तब जब तिमी घर आउँछौ। I can make him go provided by you come. यहाँ provided by तब गर्नेछु जब यस्तो हुनेछ भन्दा provided by को युज गरिन्छ। I can make him go provided by you come. न त मैले कहिले गरे न गर्ने बारे सोच्न सक्छु। Neither I did nor I can ever think to do. Neither I did nor I can ever think of doing. न त मैले कहिले गरे न गर्ने बारे सोच्न सक्छु। Neither I did nor I can ever think of doing, or neither I did nor I can ever think to do. रामले खेल्नु पर्नेछ। Ram will have to play. Ram will have to play. उसले मेरो कुरा मान्नु पर्नेछ। He will have to follow my instruction. He will have to follow my instruction. उनीहरू पार्कबाट आए। They came from park. They came from park. राम खेल्छ। राम plays. राम पछि play हुँदैन, यसमा राम plays हुन्छ किनभने राम थर्ड पर्सन, यसमा verb 5 को प्रयोग गरिन्छ, त्यसकारण यहाँ plays हुन्छ। राम खेल्छ। राम plays. म खेल्छु। I play हुन्छ किनकि I पछि verb 1 को युज हुन्छ। त्यो केटा त्यस्तो किन सोच्छ? Why does that boy think so? Why does that boy think so? हामीलाई पढ्नसम्म पनि दिएको थिएन। We were not even let study. We were not even let study. मलाई जान पर्थ्यो। I should have gone. I should have gone. हामी खेल्ने गर्थ्यौं। We used to play. केही काम गर्ने गर्थ्यौं, यस्तो गर्ने गर्थ्यौं भनेर पास्टमा गरेको कुरालाई अहिले भन्नुपर्दा used to को प्रयोग गरिन्छ। So, हामी खेल्ने गर्थ्यौं। We used to play. हामी स्कुल जाने गर्थ्यौं। We used to go to school. राम 10 बजेदेखि काम गर्नेछ। Ram will work from 10 o'clock. फोनमा सिग्नल आइरहेको छैन। The phone is not catching signal. The phone is not catching signal. यी बच्चाहरू कहाँ बस्छन्? Where do these children live? Where do these children live? मानिसहरू मलाई राजेश हमाल भन्थे। People used to call me Rajesh Hamal. People used to call me Rajesh Hamal. के तिमी जान पायौ? Could you go? Could you go? मेरो कुरा कसैले सुनेन। Nobody listened to me. Nobody listened to me. जसलाई तिमी सम्झिरहेका छौ, उसले तिमीलाई कहिल्यै सम्झिदैन। The one who you are missing, she never misses you. अथवा she never misses you को ठाउँमा यसो पनि भन्न सकिन्छ You were never missed by her. उसले तिमीलाई कहिल्यै सम्झिदैन You were never missed by her. So, जसलाई तिमी सम्झिरहेका छौ उसले तिमीलाई कहिल्यै सम्झिदैन The one who you are missing, she never misses you. अथवा यसरी पनि भनिन्छ The one who you are missing, you were never missed by her. मैले यो रामबाट सुनेको I heard it from Ram. मैले यो रामबाट सुनेको I heard it from Ram. यदि तपाईं यस च्यानलमा नयाँ हुनुहुन्छ भने सब्स्क्राइब गर्नुहोला र भिडियोलाई तपाईको साथीहरुमा शेयर गर्नुहोला भिडियोलाई दोहोर्याएर हेर्नुहोला हाम्रो युट्युब च्यानलको प्लेलिस्टमा गएर सम्पूर्ण लेसन वाइज भिडियोहरु हेर्नुहोला थ्यांक्स फर वाचिङ